Let's do a room tour. We are staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge here at Walt Disney World, and we are staying in a deluxe studio room with Savannah room, or with Savannah view. We'll get that in a minute, but we are staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge at the Jumbo House. So it's the main building. There's two different areas of Animal Kingdom Lodge, the Jumbo House and the Condi Village. Condi Village is a little bit farther away from the main areas. They have one restaurant over there. Most everything is over at the Jumbo House, but this room is really nice. Let's go take a look. When you first enter the room, there's a full-size mirror so you can check your fit. Then you come over here, you got a microwave. This is a DVC resort as well. And this is a DVC room, but you have a microwave, you have a coffee maker with coffee, Joffrey's coffee, ice, you have a sink, you have a refrigerator, it's more like a cooler, things like that. You have a toaster right here. You have some storage with some paper towels. Let's see what else you got. Some other things up there. Underneath, there's a trash can. And then over to the right when you walk in is the bathroom. So you got two sinks, which is nice, the double sinks, and another mirror. Checking your fit. And then you got the bathroom with a tub, which is very nice to have a tub in the resort. Some of the resorts don't have tubs, which if you have smaller kids, tub is a must-do. And then you have the shower head and the curved shower curtain, which is nice. I like curved shower curtains because it gives you more room. And then the throne where you do your business. And then to the main room where you have a bed to your right with some really, really cool African details in the room, like this map right here of Africa, which is really, really cool. I like the different lighting fixtures around the bed. This bed looks very comfortable. Ooh, it feels very, very comfortable, very soft, very soft. And then you have the phone. You also have Hey Disney right there. And that's all you have to do is say Hey Disney and it'll do stuff for you. And then you have some more things, more artwork over here. And then this right here is a pull-out couch. So it's a full pull-out couch. You have another bed so we can sleep 4 people comfortably. You have a little coffee table here, a little table that you can drink some coffee or eat some food in the morning. And then you have a very big TV. I like all their big TVs in their rooms lately. And then you have a huge dresser. That is a very big dresser with a lot of storage area. And then you have the USBs right down there. So 2, 4, and then 4 different plugs. Some of them are upside down. Don't know why. Those are not. And then you have this area right here, which has extra blankets. You got a safe, looks like a iron and a hair dryer and the ironing board over there. And you got some coat hangers and some extra pillows and blankets right there. And then another mirror, but it doesn't, this is not working for some reason. And you can check your fit over here too. And then some chairs. And then this is the main part of why this room is so nice. This is the Savannah view. Right now it's nighttime, but there is some animals out there. Well, they were out there earlier when we came. There's some zebras over there, right down there, some zebras. We're in the zebra trail, by the way, but I'll show you guys this in the morning when we wake up as well. But this is really, really nice. I love this view. This view is amazing. I can't wait to see it tomorrow morning when we wake up. Oh yeah. And we'll transition to that right now. There's some zebras and wildebeest over there, and I think there may be a greater kudu beside that tree over there. It's so much fun. Waking up to this view is amazing. It reminds me of when I used to work at Animal Kingdom's Kilimanjaro Safaris. Waking up, going to work, seeing all the animals on the safari brings back memories. It's really, really cool.